Working on our final advertisement, print advertisement. I do have some tutorials also on how to use the selection tool because you will have to cut out your product from your pictures from last week. There are also some examples here in the assignment, but I'm going to kind of show you how to get everything set up. So the first thing I would recommend doing is Googling whatever product you have and the ad. So I took a picture of a Sprite can, so I Googled Sprite ad, and just to get some inspiration, see what they maybe look like, what I could use, and try to get inspired by some of these print ads. All right, then the next thing you're looking at, you must have the product picture, the logo, a headline text, and your overall experience of the whole entire document. That's what you're going to get graded on. So I need to grab a few items, but I already have done that. So if I open this up, there's my picture of my Sprite can. I went and got some lemon and lime. I got the logo because that's part of the rubric. And then I got this little swish. So I just grabbed a bunch of little things and saved it to my folder. I may not use everything, but at least it's there. All right. And then also you're going to open up Photopea or Photoshop, and you're going to set up your document. So you're going to say File New. You're going to do in inches, print, and letter size. So 8.5 by 11. And then you're going to say OK or create. Okay, that's what should set up first. All right, and then you're going to start bringing in those images. So I already have one open with my layers, and I want to show you what I did. So my Sprite is, I'm trying to find my Sprite can. I should have labeled it. I think it's this one. Nope, it's a rectangle. Did I delete my Sprite can? Which is possible. Hold on. Oh, I see it. There it is. So let me go back a few steps. Let me take off these rectangles so you can kind of see. There's my Sprite can. I deleted that layer. So now you'll be able to see it. So I added effects to this already. So remember to add effects to your Sprite can. You double click on that layer. Oops, hold on. It's not liking me today. You get your layer style. So I added that bevel, and I added the drop shadow. Okay, to kind of pop it off the thing. So remember, you're going to have to cut your shape out. I already did that. So that's very important. So I'm going to say OK. Now I just started working with my document. So the first thing I had was this lemon lime. But what I realized is it really doesn't match the colors in the Sprite can like I want. So then I kept going, and I ended up going with just doing, I'm missing one more rectangle. There it is. I ended up just doing the colors for the rectangles. What I ended up doing for the rectangles is I double clicked in here and did a color overlay, right? But where my color is, I clicked on it and I came off and started grabbing the colors directly from the can. All right, so I knew that they would match. Same thing for the green. And again, that's just by double clicking the layer. Now I'm going to add my Sprite logo, because that's part of it. And then it said to add a header or some kind of text. So that's where I put the word fresh. I did download a font to make it unique. All right, it shouldn't just be Times New Roman here. And this is my final ad. Okay, an advertisement does not need to be super duper duper complex. Usually they're very simple. But again, this is something I'm looking for when you turn in your final assignment. So once you're done here, you're going to say save as a PSD, and I want you to turn that one in, but I also want you to go ahead and say export as either one, PNG or JPEG also, and you're going to be turning that one in as well. All right, so you're going to need your ad, and is it JPEG or PNG, and then also your Sprite or your Photoshop file for the end of it. If you have any questions, you know that you can always ask your teacher, and we will be there to help you. Again, I also put some different videos on helping you select your objects so you can get rid of the backgrounds. So you can have those, the Sprite can is not on the white background. I don't want to see that. The logo is not on the white background. There's not a white square around it. I got rid of it using those selection tools. That's really important. All right, have a good day.